Good morning, sir. In this video, I want to tell about journal. The title is The Role of Urban Planning in Achieving Sustainable or Urban Development. My name is Helen Patricia Simatupang. To 01910501064. Jurusan Perencanaan Wilayah dan Kota. The content in this video is introduction, methods, results, and recommendation. The first is introduction. After the Industrial Revolution, urban development and trend to urbanism and then evolution of various theories of economic development resulted in appearance of global cities and megacities around the world. But over years, the negative effects of urban lifestyles have met some major problems. This is why the sustainable development has been put in the agenda. Recent studies on the field of sustainable development patterns and how to achieve to this type of development have tried to introduce its feature and how to implement its concept. But issues related to urban sustainable development have been rarely taken under. So, the main aim of this paper is to clarify the fundamental dimension of sustainable development. That is urban sustainable development and the using methods of urban planning tools. The next content is methods. The first method is sustainable development strategies. Development sustainable strategies can be focused on a few basic principles, which can be named the 5 dimensions of sustainable development. The number 1 is economic stability. Number 2 is social sustainability. Number 3 is ecological sustainability. That is limiting the consumption of all kinds of fuel and its sources which are exhaustible, promoting economical, trying to find technologies, determining the appropriate laws and legal system. Number 4 is the sustainable spatial development. That is decreasing the radical focus in the suburb areas, avoiding damage of vulnerable ecosystem, promoting new methods of agriculture and forestry among small farmers. The number 5 is the cultural continuity. The two methods is urban sustainable development concept. The environmental capacity assessment tools is one of the aforementioned tools which has shown that to assist the development strategies. It is a good start. Considering the limited potential and power of ecological contents of cities, urban sustainable development would be possible if it based on the local and environmental characteristic in the same format and observing the fundamental principle of sustainable development. The next content is results. The number one result is economic consideration. That is identify and define unsustainable technologies, encourage industry decentralization, encourage small urban industry and unemployment, prevent uncontrolled migration, change in the pattern of production, distribution, and consumption of materials, provide growth and development of urban economy. The two results is cultural and social consideration, that is based on human beings and relevant needs to deal with the urban population boom and reduce the population growth rate to almost zero, reduce poverty and class difference, change behavior to change the pattern of consumption of uncontrolled source. The three results is physical, principle, and consideration. That is accurate location, optimal design and planning for new cities. Consider the specific situation of the urban environment as a major factor in development planning. Surround the city with productive ecosystem or capable of absorbing and degrading human waste and waste. The next result is environmental consideration. That is linear flow of material, serious and careful review and evaluation of the environment impacts of urban development projects. Define environment their source and environment bearing capacity. And make the urban environment healthy and hygienic. The next result is management, decision making, and practical methods. That is reforming city planning methods and current studies. Use advanced computerized technology to analyze data, evaluate, and present solution. Participation of the urban institution, scientists, designer, and planner with various group of people in open debates. Expert and decision maker must teach concept of sustainability to communities of all age groups in order to be able to adopt to urban sustainable development projects. The next content is recommendation. Urban planning has an important role to form framework of urban sustainable development. The goal of sustainable urban development process is to achieve the status of sustainability in urban communities. In other words, the goal is to create or strengthen the sustainability is characteristic in economic, social, cultural, and environmental life of city. Because of extraordinary complexity relation between the natural and artificial environmental and human activities. Predicting of development, the phenomenon is very difficult. It also rejects the predetermined and inflexible models. It is essential in urban planning to make the urban goals compatible with developed and flexible methods. This can provide the enough assurance to promote a better quality of the people is and future generations life by comparing what should be done with what is common in urban today development planning. And according to above mentioned comments and topic, it can be concluded that to achieve the urban sustainability, it is necessary to make some structural reforms and to create some deep and fundamental change in a level of society, especially in the three level of government and management, technology, and life methods. This is my video of journal about urban planning. Thank you.